Hello friends, welcome back. Let us have ourselves introduced to some basic electric components and its characteristics. Now to understand this, we are going to use something which is called as water analogy. Okay. Now look at this construction very carefully. This is a pipe in which the water is already been filled. Now, if I want this water to flow throughout this pipe in this direction, let's say this direction, what am I supposed to do? I am supposed to use something which is called as water pump. Now, if I am turning this water pump on, what will happen? The water pump will start, the blades of the water pump will start rotating, and this water pump will create difference in the pressure throughout this water pipe. That means, due to this pressure difference, you already know that water will always move from higher pressure to lower pressure. This water pumps create water pressure throughout this pipe, because of which the water starts flowing through the pipe. In the same way, the same job is done by the battery over here. What is a battery? This battery is having positive terminal and negative terminal. Positive terminal have all its positive charges located on it. Huge number of positive charges located on it, and negative terminal have huge amount of negative charges which is located on it. So what does this battery do? This battery creates potential difference in the potential throughout the circuit, because of which the charges move, the current flow. How does the current flow? As the water moves from higher pressure to lower pressure, the current also moves from higher potential to lower potential. Positive terminal is considered to be having higher potential. Negative terminal is considered to be having lower potential. So the current always moves from positive terminal to negative terminal, which is also said to be the conventional direction of current. Okay. Then, what do you see over here? As the water comes over here through this narrow pipe, what happens to the water? The water faces difficulty while flowing through this narrow pipe. In the same way, here in electric circuit, we have something which is called as resistance. This device is called as resistor, and it offers resistance. Now, what is resistance? You will learn this in later sessions in detail. Resistor is simply a device in which the current restricts itself from flowing, or I can say that the current faces an opposition, which is called as resistance. Okay. Now, let us come back to here. In this arrangement, what is this? This is a turbine. This is my output. I want this turbine to be rotated. This is my desirable output. What is my desirable output over here? This bulb. I want this bulb to glow. Right? I can also say that this is nothing but load. This is usually also called as load. Okay. Let us come back over here. What is this? This is a valve. What is the job of this valve? I can fasten this valve and I can stop the flow of the current. The same job, the same role is played by something which is called as key in this electric circuit. What is the job of the key? If the key is open, then the current will not be able to flow through the circuit. If the key is closed, then the circuit is completed and the current starts flowing through the circuit. This was some basic introduction to the electrical components. Now, in any other complicated circuits, you can see that this resistor is also accompanied by something which is called as capacitor. It is also accompanied by something which is called as inductor. So these are the basic introduction to electrical components. Thank you so much.